Hi everybody, I'm Katie J and I'm here to show you my website that I have been working on for this semester. At the beginning of the semester, I was thinking about what I wanted to do as far as a website that I wanted to create and what kind of content would be going on. And I had recently informed my mom not only that I had a communications major, which she already knew prior, that I also included a minor, which was marriage and family studies. Because of my communication to her that I included a minor as part of my bachelor's degree, she kind of jokingly said, because you have a communications major and a marriage and family minor, you should be a dating coach. She kind of jokingly said that. And so I kind of took that to heart as I prepared for this semester here. This is what my website looks like. This is the homepage. Just kind of informing the public of who I am and kind of why I started this page. It tells a little bit about me as well. And then I said it takes two, but sometimes you need to be the apple before you meet the orange, is essentially what I'm saying here. And then you are the energy you attract. I wanted to add like a little quote. And speaking of quotes, as part of my content that I had for products to sell, I wanted to have kind of more inspirational quotes, but mainly kind of toward oneself. Maybe not quite a dating quote, but these are my three quotes that I decided to choose that I would sell as if I was selling the board here, for example, or if I was selling the "You Got This" sign and I would include block letters, things like that, where I would send these to people and then they could kind of make it their own. And then same thing with the mason jars here. And then I decided to create a post as well, which is up here in my key concepts. If I click that key concepts thing, it takes me to this blog post after I click on another, clicking on that blog on my site. And this is my article or my blog called Dating Just Like Dancing. And I just kind of spin off of what I was talking about on my homepage where it takes two to tango. But first you have to tango with yourself. You have to get to know yourself first before you can add in that partner. And you have to understand those basic fundamentals of dancing before you can become advanced. So these are just some steps that I walked through on this blog. And as far as learning the most, or what the most difficult part for me was, it was definitely creating this blog. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I learned very quickly that I should not be a content creator because that is not my forte. So this was a little more difficult for me. But the part that I learned the most was connecting the Google Analytics. And it doesn't have to go for Google alone. I can connect many other metrics. And that will be very helpful for me in my career pursuing. So thank you everybody for watching.